If you need to make a key in Lucidchart, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it from start to finish. A diagram key is really useful when you want to explain what different shapes, colors, or lines mean inside your flowchart, org chart, or any other visual. It helps make your diagram easier to read and much more professional looking. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Then, open the diagram you want to edit. This is important because the key needs to match the exact shapes and labels you are using in that file. Once your document is open, take a look at the left side of your workspace. That's where Lucidchart keeps the shape libraries and tools you'll use to build your diagram key. Next, locate the shape menu on the left side. In the shape libraries, find the standard section. This library contains common shapes, including the diagram key shape that you'll need for this tutorial. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll through the available shape categories until you find standard. Lucidchart organizes these tools so you can quickly drag in the elements you need without building everything from scratch. Now click and drag the diagram key shape onto your canvas. Place it somewhere that makes sense for your document, usually off to the side or in an open area where it won't block your main diagram. Once you drop it onto the page, Lucidchart will insert a ready-made key layout that you can customize to fit your diagram. After that, click inside the key and start customizing it. You can rename the items so they match the actual shapes, colors, or line styles used in your diagram. For example, if one symbol represents a decision, another represents a process, and another represents a database, update the key so each label clearly explains what that symbol means. This step is what makes the key useful because it turns a generic template into a guide for your specific diagram. If your diagram uses colors, make sure the key reflects those colors accurately. If it uses different line styles like solid or dash connectors, include those as well. The goal is to make your audience understand the diagram at a glance without having to guess what anything means. A well-built key can save time, reduce confusion, and make your work look much more polished. You can also resize or reposition the key if needed. Just click and drag the edges if you want more space, or move it around until it fits neatly into your layout. If your diagram is crowded, placing the key in a blank corner can help keep everything organized. Small layout adjustments like this can make a big difference in readability. Once your labels are updated and everything looks accurate, take one final look at the document to make sure the key matches the diagram. Check that each item is spelled correctly and that every important symbol is explained. That final review helps prevent mistakes before you share the document with a team, client, or class. And that's how to make a key in Lucidchart. It only takes a few steps, but it can make your diagrams much easier to understand. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lucidchart and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.